Voilà les amis. Friends Embassy, we are here with you tonight. You have to stop the genocide in Cameroon. Mr. Friends Embassy, Cameroonian people, they are here. Because we have a Bibi Moussa in the jail. You have Alain Foguet. You have a BBC Manchu. You have Ayuk Tabet. You have to stop the genocide happening in Cameroon. Many Cameroonians die every day because of the war. You have to call Emmanuel Macron and talk to him. You have to stop the genocide. You have to stop the kill Cameroonian people. Mr. France Embassy, we are here tonight. And we're going to come anytime tonight. You're not going to get the peace anymore. If you need the peace, we too in Cameroon, we need the peace. That's why we are here tonight. Call Emmanuel Macron. Tell him to release Bibi Moussak. To release Alain Foguet. To release Ayuk Tabet, BBC Manchu. To release all prisoners politics in Cameroon. This is Ayuk Tabet and Alain Foguet. We don't know what they do to the jail. Mr. Embassy, Mr. Ambassador of France, you have to talk to Emmanuel Macron to release other people, all the Cameroonian people in the jail. You have to release them. You have to call Mr. Biya to release Alain Foguet, to release Bibi Moussak, Ayuk Tabet, BBC Manchu. All them, you have to release them. That's why we are here tonight. If you need the peace, we in Cameroon, we need the peace too. Our child want to go to school. You have to stop the war in Cameroon. Every single day people are dying. You have to call Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron have to stop the war in Cameroon. Chers amis, vous devez sortir. Chacun de nous doit faire quelque chose. Nous, on est debout. Il est 1h ou il est 2h, je ne sais pas quelle heure. Nous ne pouvons pas dormir quand Alain Foguet est en prison. France Ambassador, you have to stop the genocide. The genocide happened in Cameroon, in Africa. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to stop the genocide. Call Emmanuel Macron to stop the genocide. Call Emmanuel Macron to release Alain Foguet. To release Bibi Moussak. To release BBC Manchu. To release Ayuk Tabet. To stop the war in North Cameroon. You have to stop the war. You have to stop. To give the gun to Mr. Biya to kill our child. We need the peace in Cameroon. We need the peace. Mr. Ambassador, French Ambassador, you have to stop the genocide happening in Cameroon, in Africa. You have to stop the genocide. You have to stop to kill. You have to stop to kill. You have to stop. Every night we gotta be here. We gotta be here every night. No more peace for you. If you need a peace, you have to release Alain Fogué, Bibi Moussak, Ayuk Tabet. You have to release them. All. If you need a peace here, call Emmanuel Macron and make you know we are here with you tonight. No peace for you. No peace in Cameroon. We have the war. We need the peace. We don't need war anymore. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to stop the genocide. The genocide happened in Cameroon. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to stop the genocide in Cameroon. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to release Alain Fogué. To release Bibi Moussak. That is in the jail in Cameroon. You have to release them. Mr. Ambassador, French Ambassador, we are here with you tonight. You have to call Mr. Macron in Paris to make you know no peace for you anymore here. Because we don't have a peace in Cameroon. Because we have a war in Cameroon. Because genocide happened in Cameroon. Because our child not go to school. You have to stop. The genocide happened in Cameroon. Stop the genocide happened in Cameroon. Release Bibi Moussak. Release Alain Fogué. Release BBC Manchu, Ayuk Tabet, and all the politicians in the jail. French Ambassador, we are here with you tonight because something happened in Cameroon. Because you support Mr. Biya. You give to Mr. Biya the gun to kill our child. You support him. One president on the power for 40 years. We don't need that anymore. You have to start. You have to start all collaboration with Mr. Biya. You have to release all politicians in the jail. You have to release Ayuk Tabet. You have to release Bibi Moussak. You have to stop the genocide happen in Cameroon. Every single day. Every single day in Cameroon, we have a war. We don't have a peace in Cameroon. If you need a peace in Paris, we in Cameroon too, we need the peace. That's why we are here with you tonight. You have to stop the genocide. You have to stop the genocide. You have to stop the genocide. French Ambassador, you have to stop. Stop the genocide. French Ambassador, you have to stop. Stop to kill our child. Stop to kill our people in Cameroon. Stop to support Mr. Biya on power for 40 years now. We need the peace in Cameroon. We don't need war anymore. Stop the genocide. Stop the genocide in Cameroon. Stop. Stop the war. French embassy. Je ne sais pas ce qui s'est passé avec le machin ici. la caméra là, j'ai lancé, ça a pris plutôt, ça prend plutôt dans un sens contraire, je ne sais pas pourquoi.
Ça frise.
Ça n'a pas frise. Ah bon?
Oui, tu redémarres.
French ambassador, you have to stop the genocide. You have to release Bibi Moussa. You have to release Alain Foguet. You have to release Ayuk Tabet. You have to release BBC Manchu. You have to stop the genocide. We have genocide happen in Cameroon. You have to stop it. You have to stop the genocide in Cameroon. You have to release Bibi Moussa, Alain Foguet, BBC Manchu, Ayuk Tabet. You have to release all them. We don't need the genocide in Cameroon anymore. You have to stop to kill our child. If we need the peace, we need the peace too in Cameroon.
Cameroonian life matter.
Yes, Cameroonian life matter, man. Voilà les amis. Mon cher frère Bibi Moussak, tu es au fond de ta cellule. Nous sommes devant le domicile de l'ambassadeur de France. Nous allons camper ici. On va faire des sorties comme ça, inopinées. Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure, monsieur le maire? 2 heures du matin aux États-Unis. Nous sommes devant la résidence de l'ambassadeur de France. Et c'est comme ça que nous allons faire tout le temps. On n'a pas besoin d'être à 1000 pour poser des actions fortes. Nous sommes dans un quartier résidentiel. Et ici, ils disent que la loi nous interdit d'utiliser notre mégaphone. Heureusement que j'ai une grosse voix. Nous avons déclaré notre manifestation par mesure de sécurité pour nous-mêmes. Et nous sommes là. Et la police est là pour nous sécuriser, pour être sûr que tous les renseignements sont là, pour être sûr que nous allons bien. French ambassador, we are here with you tonight. The genocide happened in Cameroon. And you are part of that genocide. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to speak with Mr. Biya, to release Bibi Moussak, to release BBC Manchu, Ayuk Tabet, Alain Foguet, Salomon Beas, to release Mispa, to release all them. We don't need the war anymore in Cameroon. We need the peace. French ambassador, you have to stop the genocide. You have to stop to kill our child in Cameroon. You have to stop. You have to stop. French ambassador, you have to stop. We don't need the genocide. We have people in jail in Cameroon, man. These people, yeah.
I'm familiar with Cameroon. Yeah. The second largest embassy in the U.S. is in Cameroon.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm very familiar with Cameroon, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, there's the English side and the French side.
Thank you. You know.
I'm very familiar with that.
You know.
But here's the deal. This is late.
Okay.
We do have a noise ordinance in the United States here in reference to after a certain time.
Okay.
Now, during that certain time, you can yell and make all the noise, but right now, that's a disorderly statute.
Okay.
I understand you're protesting, and I get it. You can definitely do that. It's the noise, because you have neighbors out here sleeping.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
But I am very familiar with Cameroon. You mind if I give you my information?
It's okay.
Yes, sir. I want to give you my information.
Because the lady said we don't have to use the speaker, but we can talk. That's what she said to me.
but a certain decimal, like let's say you're in this house, right? And you have a loud, booming voice. Now think about it. I'm in there asleep. How would you feel if you was in that house and someone's out here yelling, really loud? And I understand your position, and I get it. You have a right to have that position.
Okay.
But because it's late at night, come on. Let's be considerate of the people who live around here.
The problem, the lady is, say that to me. He say, no use speaker, you can use your voice. That's what I was trying to do.
Okay.
So
I'm the supervisor here.
Okay.
I'm Sergeant Alexander.
Okay.
And I'm telling you,
Okay.
in a loud, boisterous voice,
Okay.
does qualify for the disorderly statute in the District of Columbia, okay?
Okay.
So for you to elevate your voice in a loud, boisterous manner to where it could cause a disturbance to people, what you are doing,
Okay.
then you can absolutely be cited for that because it's a certain time.
Okay.
It is past 10 o'clock.
So you want me to manifest, not speak anything, to keep
I didn't
quiet?
say you can talk.
Okay.
You just can't yell.
Okay.
You can talk.
Okay.
You can even have somewhat of an elevated voice. But you cannot yell from the top of your lungs.
Okay.
Your position at this time.
Okay, I
During the
got you.
day,
I got
there's
you.
no problem.
I got you.
But I'm gonna give you my information.
It's okay. I got you. Thank you. Thank you, officer. Les gars, voilà.
Sir, this is me right here.
Okay.
I'm Sergeant James Alexander. My badge number is S493. And you mind if I get your information?
No, no
That's up
problem.
to you.
No problem. You need my ID too? You need,
I
what do you
don't
need?
your ID. I don't
You
need
need my name?
I don't need it. I'm
Okay.
just saying, it's up to you.
What
if you
information you need from me?
wanna- It's up to you if I ask you, do you mind?
Yeah, I know, man. I know, man. I know, man, sir. I know, man.
Now, what's your last name, sir?
Chapwa.
Spell it.
TCH.
TCH
TCHAPWA.
APWA.
Yeah.
Okay. Your first name?
Bertrand.
Spell it.
BERTRAND.
AND.
D like duck.
Okay. And what's the number you can be reached on, sir?
240
240
640
640
2208.
2208. Okay. And you out here, and I get it. And this is because of the Cameroon?
Because in Cameroon, because we have a lot of politicians in jail. Because the French people, they support Mr. Biya on the power for 40 years, and
Well,
it's not easy for us.
He's been in power since 73, I believe.
No, from 82.
82, okay.
From 82.
I'm familiar.
So we are very, very, very...
But now here's the deal with Cameroon, though. It has also been a non-conflict country since, too. Cameroon has not had any wars or anything since then, too.
We have a war.
We have a war
since
now.
5
years now.
and almost 32,000
You're talking
people
about
dead.
French power and English
Yes.
power.
Okay, so yeah, that is different. I was thinking more of a conflict Cameroon against another country.
No. It's a civil. It's a civil war.
Cameroon is a bilingual country who has 25% of English people and 75% of French.
I'm very familiar.
Yeah, and now, since then, since 4 or 5 years,
Yes.
there's a war because people are seeking for the federalism. Because the way the country is managed and lead for 40 years, 4-0, is not fair. Don't they start by claiming some fair
Right.
reclamation.
Right.
They took them, put in jail,
Right.
and start shooting. And since 5 years, no kid
Go to school.
going to school. Nobody can, and we have almost 25,000 who died. People who died.
So I would also petition to the Human Rights Organization as well. You know, because you can do that.
Okay.
And I would also, and a lot of people don't know this, I would also petition to the World Court. You know, and explain to them what's going on.
No, we are trying. We try to lobby all these issues
Right.
by talking to the Congress people, to Senator of the United States. Every country who has or who owes the Cameroonian embassy
Right.
to just warn them and let them know what is going on is our country, because everyone wants to see the kid going to school. Everyone wants to see we came here because that country has a war. We can't do anything. You go to school, you finish, there is no job. Somebody has been there for 40 years.
Right.
It's almost 90-something, he doesn't want to go. And they keep taking people and put in jail. Like Bertrand and I, you cannot go back home.
To Cameroon, no more.
Yeah,
If you go there,
cut and put in jail, or they're going to poison you and kill you.
Yes.
Until here in America, that is what they are doing. Then we just take care of ourselves, and we can't sit down and see all this, is going on, and we just leave it.
and the problem is these people, is the French people, because they support that.
Yeah, no less than 2 days ago, they took some leader of the political party who never do any manifestation. They went and caught them in the house, keep them in custody, and 2 days ago, they sentenced them for 7 years because they want to kill that party.
And he did not do anything.
And nobody
anything.
cares about that. They just want to show the power because the French are supporting all that. We were not colonized by the French. They came after
Germany.
German left the country.
After
From
the war.
Bretton Woods separation, they give Cameroon to the French people. Since then, they want to kill us, and we cannot continue to take it. That is why we decided from now to be here every night.
Every night we got to be here.
Every single night.
We got to be here.
Yeah, until they free people, because you, as a father, you cannot take one guy who has more than a PhD, put in jail, just treat him like a piece of, don't want to use the word, of us, with all the respect, because I'm talking to people who respect life.
Yes, sir.
We are here in America, we discovered that somebody can do a manifestation and you guys come and be on us. But back home, they're going to beat you, throw dirty water on you, cut you and put you in jail.
Yes.
You don't have anything to do. If you don't upload for them, your place is in jail.
Or they had to kill you.
I just want to thank you guys and thank America
No,
for
I
that.
thank you too.
May God bless.
May God bless you as well.
No worry, we
There's a
gotta
lot of.
we have to follow the law, man. The law is for all people. So
But there's a,
yeah.
yeah. Hold on.
Donc les gars, c'est chaud. Ils m'ont dit que je ne pouvais pas utiliser mon speaker et que je pouvais parler avec ma voix. Maintenant que j'utilise ma voix, ils trouvent que ma voix est trop bruyante et que ça trouble la tranquillité des gens. Donc, vous allez voir les speakers. Ils ont dit que nous ne pouvons pas utiliser ça parce que, selon la loi aux États-Unis, nous n'avons pas ce droit. Nous avons déposé nos speakers par terre. Et comme Dieu de Ndumbok m'a donné une très grosse voix, j'ai commencé à l'utiliser. Les gars, ils sont sortis de partout comme des chenilles. Donc, ils viennent là maintenant, ils nous disent que la voix est très haute et que ça trouble la tranquillité des gens. Et c'est ce que nous on recherchait, enfin. Donc, notre mission...
Il dit que la voix est haute.
Oui.
C'est blessé.
Oui. Que la...
Non, il ne va pas baisser.
Il dit que la voix est haute, que ça trouble la tranquillité des gens. Les gens ne peuvent pas dormir.
Non, la voix, il ne peut pas nous dire de baisser la voix.
Pas lui demander, non. C'est ce qu'il m'a dit.
Non, il ne peut pas nous dire. On ne peut pas utiliser le Vodafone.
Il dit qu'on peut parler, mais on ne peut pas parler très fort. Que je suis en train de crier. Yes! C'est mauvais. Notre objectif a été atteint, les gars. C'était de créer le désordre, de créer le suspense. Ça veut donc dire que là, maintenant, là, toute la police de Washington DC est alertée. Donc, notre message est passé. C'était ça l'essentiel. Nous reviendrons encore ici. French ambassador, stop the genocide. Stop the genocide in Cameroon.
You guys have to free all the political prisoners. We can't take it anymore.
Donc les amis, nous pensons que notre message est passé. L'essentiel était de créer de troubler la tranquillité des voisins. Vous pouvez compter le nombre de voitures de police qui sont ici. Parce qu'ils se disent que comment est-ce que ces gens-ci, à cette heure, s'ils sont dehors. Ouais. Ils ne comprennent rien. Non, c'est ça, les amis. Free Alain Fogué. 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 Free Alain Fogué.
Any chance to sleep when people are in jail?
Free Bibi Moussak. Free Bibi Moussak. Free Ayuk Tabet. Free Ayuk Tabet.
Nobody will sleep.
Free BBC Mancho. Free BBC Mancho.
A dictator will
Free BBC Mancho.
release
Free BBC Mancho.
prisoners.
Free Alain Foguet.
We can't accept that.
Free Salomon Beyas.
They are killing our people.
Free Salomon Beyas. Free Salomon Beyas. Free Salomon Beyas.
Our people are dying. Mr. Ambassador, I'm not saying
Friends, Ambassador. We are here tonight
it's time for you to wake up.
and call Emmanuel Macron
To ask Mr. Biya
to release,
to step down.
to stop the genocide. Monsieur le maire,
Mr. Ambassador, we are here tonight. You have to release all the political prisoners.
in Cameroon,
Nobody can take it anymore. 40 years is enough.
yes,
Here in America, it's 2 terms of 4 years, maximum 8. You have been there for 40 years. That is not fair. And you guys support somebody who cannot move anymore.
friends, Ambassador, we are here tonight because something happened in Cameroon. The genocide happened in Cameroon. You have to stop to kill our child. You have to stop to kill.
This is the blood of our people.
Die every single day in Cameroon, Nozo.
You guys kill almost 25,000.
Every day.
This is the blood of Cameroonian. Mr. Ambassador, you have to call Mr. Biya,
To release.
Monsieur Le Drian,
To release.
the Interior Minister, to release all the political prisoners in Cameroon.
Yes.
Mr. Ambassador, we will not stop coming here every
Single night.
day. If you enjoy messing up our country, that is the end from today. This is the blood of Cameroonian.
We don't need the blood anymore in Cameroon.
25,000 people is enough. And you guys don't care about that. Mr. Ambassador, this is the blood of Cameroonian.
Yes.
Nobody wanted to see a blood.
Mm-hmm.
The blood of the kid not going to school.
Why Alain Foguet due to the jail?
You have to release Alain Foguet, Olivier Bigou-Missak,
BBC Manchou,
BBC Manchou,
Salomon Beyas,
Ayuk Tabe,
Mispa,
Mr. Ambassador. We are here tonight until the end of the last prisoner.
in jail in Cameroon.
Mr. Ambassador, supporting a dictator.
Dictatorship.
And Mr. Biya is a dictator. Mr. Ambassador, this is a blood of Cameroonian.
Yes.
Cameroonian lives matter too.
We need a peace in Cameroon.
Every single day, you will see us here.
Every night.
It's only the beginning. You have to call Monsieur Le Drian and ask him to tell a dictator, Mr. Biya, to free all the political prisoners. Mr. Ambassador, this is the blood of Cameroonian. We will not stop coming here from now until the end. There is no negotiation with you guys. Everyone life matters. If you enjoy your country, we want to enjoy our country too.
If you have peace in Paris, we need a peace in Cameroon too.
Yeah.
We need our child to go to school.
This is Cameroonian blood, Mr. Ambassador. You guys help Mr. Biya, give him a gun to kill our people. Are you enjoying it? Enough is enough, Mr. Ambassador.
You use the African money to buy this property.
We live here in America in the freedom country. And you guys enjoy it too when you mess up our country. Mr. Ambassador, we cannot take it anymore.
No. You have to stop the genocide happen in Cameroon.
Our people. And you take people and put in jail. This is a Christmas time. Every kid want to enjoy the parent.
Yes.
And you keep Alain Foguet is a professor, not a PhD. A professor from all the best school in the world. Olivier Biboum Nissa, c'est Seko Ayoub Tabe, Ibishi Mancho, Sébastien Ebale, Mispa. You have to release all that people before the end of the year. Mr. Ambassador, tomorrow we will come before 10 o'clock and put all our speakers on for you to understand what we are saying. Demain, à 22h,
Ah bon, hein?
on arrive là et on met les baffles là. Tomorrow we will come before 10 o'clock and use everything until 10. That is all. Everything will work now. America is a peaceful and a country of freedom. Abraham Lincoln stopped the slavery. No, you cannot keep people like we are a slave. Enough is enough.
Les gars, nous pensons que nous avons atteint notre objectif. Notre objectif était de créer le désordre ici. Et je pense qu'on l'a fait. France ambassade! France ambassador!
You guys are not supposed to be in this country.
Because you support
All the country who support dictator in Africa don't have any place
in America.
in America. The dictator who has been there for 40 years to release all the political prisoners. That man doesn't like peace.
We need the peace in Cameroon.
We are here doing a peaceful protestation. Nobody will touch anything here. Mr. Ambassador, you have to call Mr. Biya or call Mr. Macron to release
Alain Fogué.
Bibou Nissak,
Release.
Dispar,
Release.
Sesekou Ayoub Tabe,
Release.
Bibichi Mancho.
Release.
All the political prisoners have to be
Free. They don't have to continue to stay on the jail.
All the kids need the mom and the father in the house to enjoy to the end of the year. Nobody will sleep here anymore
Yes.
because tomorrow we're going to be almost 100 people here.
France ambassador. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to make him know
A lot of Cameroonians,
the genocide happened in Cameroon.
you have to carry a blood of Cameroonians on your hands. France, carry Cameroonian blood on the hand. France carry Cameroonian blood on the hand. Mr. Ambassador, that is what's going to happen every single day.
Yes.
And we will come here before 10 o'clock. On vient avant 22h. Aujourd'hui, non? Oui. On met le speaker.
Et qu'on peut mettre avant 22h, avant...
De 22h à 7h.
Ah bon, hein?
Oui.
De 22h à... De 7h.
22h à 7h, on met pas le truc dans les neighborhoods. Donc avant 22h, tu as le droit d'animer.
Et après 22h?
Tu arrêtes.
Tu vas venir à 22h comment?
Hein?
Tu viens à 22h, ça veut dire que tu viens à l'heure où
Tu
ça...
viens à 21h.
Ok.
Hein? 21h, tu baffes. Vous y quartier 1 heure de temps.
Ok.
Non, non.
Ok.
On n'a pas besoin. Si on reste même encore après, c'est pour parler comme ça, mais on n'a plus besoin de causer nos bouts. 21h, Bougari. Deux speakers. Là. 20h30, on s'est déjà installé. Comment animer?
France ambassador.
Stop killing Cameroonians.
We are here tonight because something happened in Cameroon.
You support a dictator, Mr. Biya.
You support the genocide
France help Mr. Biya
to kill
to kill
our
Cameroonians.
child.
This is the blood of Cameroonians. You guys have to stop.
The genocide.
My people are dying.
Every single day.
5,000 in 4 years is enough. Nobody seems care about that.
Je sais que le téléphone a des problèmes. Bon, j'ai lancé ça et puis...
A billion given by you guys.
France ambassador.
Already sell that country to France.
You have to call Emmanuel Macron to release Bibi Moussak. To release Alain Fogué. Yes. Mr. Mispa had to be free.
She did not do
Anything.
every single thing. You guys went and caught her in her house and put her in jail, sentenced her for 7 years. Nobody will sleep for that.
Les gars, il est
This
2
is
heures
the
du matin.
beginning.
Il est 2 heures du matin ici. Et il est quelle heure, monsieur le maire? 2h15. Donc, nous, on est encore là. Alain Fogué doit savoir
Mr.
tous les prisonniers politiques, vous devez savoir que nous sommes avec vous. Nous ferons ce que nous allons faire comme pression sur ces marabouts pour que vous obteniez votre liberté. Nous savons que le combat est long. C'est comment mon frère? J'espère qu'on ne te dérange pas. Hein, hein bro? C'est comment? Mais nous on est là non mon frère. J'espère que nous on ne te dérange pas. Hein? C'est bon non? Ok.
Mr. Ambassador!
French ambassador, where are you? You have to call Mr. Biya to release Alain Fogué. Bibi Moussa have to be free. Salomon Beya, BBC Manchu, Ayou Tabet, you have to stop the genocide. We don't need the war anymore in Cameroon. We need peace. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to make him know you're not gonna get peace anymore. We're gonna be here every single night with you. Alain Fogué is on the jail. Bibi Moussak, they did not do anything. They don't have to continue to stay in the jail. You have to call Emmanuel Macron to release them. They have to be free. You have to stop the genocide. You have to stop to kill our child. Our child want to go to school. We need the peace in Cameroon. We don't need war anymore. We need the peace. French ambassador, we are here tonight to make you know Alain Fogué did not do anything. He's not supposed to be in the jail. Alain Fogué have to be free. BBC Manchu have to be free. Bibi Moussak have to be free. Salomon Beyas have to be free. Sébastien Ebale have to be free. Mispa have to be free. You have to stop the genocide in Cameroon. You have to stop to kill our child. You have to stop to destroy our resources in Cameroon. Les gars, nous allons camper seulement la nuit ici maintenant là. Parce que notre stratégie, c'est de troubler la tranquillité des voisins. Et ça, nous sommes dans un quartier résidentiel et très stratégique. Donc le fait que nous troublons la tranquillité des voisins, ça va avoir de l'impact. Surtout que les Français n'aiment pas trop s'exposer. Ils aiment être discrets dans tout ce qu'ils font, dans les crimes. Monsieur le maire, tu sais que le climat n'est pas bon.
Non, je suis en train de me protéger.
Tu te protèges, mais moi, je n'ai pas de protection, mon gars.
Oh, je mets le blouson.
Et tu sais que moi, j'ai une santé fragile. Tu sais que si ce n'était pas parce que c'était pas la condamnation de 7 ans-là, je ne serais pas sorti parce que je n'arrive pas à dormir. Quand je me couche dans mon lit, je n'ai pas sommeil. Malgré ma convalescence, je ne peux pas croiser les mains et voir Alain Fogué en train de travailler une prison gratuitement pendant que les voleurs sont en liberté. Un jeune garçon comme Bibi Moussak, on brise sa vie, on casse son avenir. Un Cameroun qui détruit les génies, qui détruit les valeurs, qui encourage la médiocrité, le vol. Si Bibi Moussak était un féman, il ne serait pas là-bas, il serait glorifié comme un dieu. Puisqu'il est honnête, il défend sa cause, il veut gagner sa vie à la sueur de son front.
Et vous
le mettez en prison. Sans vous soucier de sa famille, de ses enfants, sa femme. Les gars, je vais arrêter ce live. Nous disons merci à tous ceux qui étaient là. Je suis désolé de la qualité de l'image et de la position de la caméra. Je suis vraiment désolé. C'est quand je suis arrivé là, le temps de mettre la caméra, il y a la police qui était là et puis ça m'a un peu fait un jar. Je n'ai pas pu vraiment la cadrer comme il le fallait. Bon, on va pouvoir se séparer. Bonne nuit, merci pour tous ceux qui étaient connectés. Sachez que nous ne baissons pas les bras. Si Alain Fogué, Bibi Moussak, BBC Manchu, Ayou Tabet, s'ils sont en prison et qui nous suivent, qu'ils sachent que nous ne baisserons pas les bras. Nous allons emmerder ça d'ici, toutes les nuits, devant la résidence de l'ambassadeur. Nous allons troubler ici, tous les voisins, pour que ça crée quelque chose. Il faut que ça crée un choc, les gars. Il faut que ça crée un choc. Ça, c'est notre nouvelle stratégie maintenant. Puisqu'ils veulent nous pousser au bout. Biya veut nous envoyer prendre les armes. Et c'est ce que Biya cherche.
Et on va pas le faire.
On ne va pas le faire. On ne va pas le faire. Nous allons utiliser l'intelligence. Les gars, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit à tous.